The healthcare industry in the US is about to have a huge shakeup, and tariffs are to blame. Let me explain why. See, pharmaceuticals for decades have had the privilege of being tariffed at 0%. And it's not hard to understand why, right? I mean, a lot of these pharmaceuticals, a lot of these medicines, they're life saving or definitely life improving. And the government really didn't want to disrupt supply chains that might lead to shortages or wild swings in pricing, which health insurance companies have a hard time adapting to. So they were like, let's take a step back, right? We'll let the market sort it out and stabilize pricing and stabilizing supply. And it has worked fabulously. Well, until Trump comes in. See, Trump is talking about tariffing pharmaceuticals that are made outside the US at a whopping 200%. Now, he is talking about phasing this in, starting sort of at like 10%, maybe around August 1st. And after a year, maybe 18 months, ratcheting that up to 200%. He's saying to give the pharmaceutical companies time to build manufacturing here in the States. Well, makes sense on a surface level. But as a former real estate developer, I can tell you this right now. It is not enough time. Even if you had the land identified now and you had the money lined up now to start building a pharmaceutical manufacturer in the States, a year, 2 years, it's not enough time. Designing a building as complex as a pharmaceutical manufacturer will take year, 2 years, right? Permitting a year, 2 years, construction probably 2 to 3 years, tooling and procurement for the machine, something that Farpoint Global does, maybe another year, 2 years. I mean, you are talking about 5 to 7 years at the fastest rate. It's just not possible to do in a year or 2 years. So the music really has already stopped on the healthcare industry vis-a-vis pharmaceuticals. It just hasn't been priced in yet. I really hope that Trump sort of like rethinks what he's about to do, because the last thing we need are shortages in medicine. It's one thing to have shortages of toothpaste, another thing to have, increased costs in curtain wall systems like you see behind me. But healthcare, medicine, I think that's a bridge too far. Like and subscribe. Your margins will thank you.